As the temperature starts to drop, it's a good idea to give your basement a thorough inspection before winter sets in. Your basement is often the first place where cold air and moisture creep in, leading to potential problems that you don't want to deal with in the middle of winter. Let's start by checking the walls and foundation for any cracks or gaps. Even small cracks can lead to cold air and moisture, which can lead to bigger problems like mold, mildew, and even structural damage over time. If you find any cracks, it's best to seal them now with a quality sealant before the weather gets too cold. Next, take a look at your basement windows. Are they properly sealed? Drafty windows can let in cold air, which will make your heating system work harder and increase your energy bills. Make sure the caulking around the windows is intact, and if you have older windows, consider adding weather stripping or even installing storm windows for extra insulation. Now let's move on to the floor. Check for any signs of moisture or water pooling, especially near the walls. This could indicate a drainage issue or a crack in the foundation that needs attention. If you find any damp spots, it's important to address the source before the winter, as water can freeze and cause even more damage. While you're down there, don't forget to check your sump pump if you have one. Make sure it's working properly and that the discharge line is clear of any obstructions. A functioning sump pump is crucial for keeping your basement dry, especially during those winter thaws when melting snow can cause water to seep in. Also take a look at any exposed pipes in your basement. Are they insulated? If not, now's the time to wrap them with foam insulation to prevent them from freezing and bursting when the temperatures drop. This can also help you get warm water to your faucets quicker. This is especially important for pipes that are running near exterior walls. By taking the time to inspect your basement before the temperature drops, you're setting yourself up for a safer, more comfortable winter. It's all about catching those little issues now before they turn into big problems later. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course. Stay safe, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next video.